Welcome to Kidland. Let's learn the alphabet from A to Z with Happy Train.
A is for apple, red and sweet. A is for ant, small and neat. A is for apricot, juicy treat. B is for ball, rolling fast. B is for bear, big at last. B is for banana, yummy snack. C is for cat, meow meow too. C is for car, driving through. C is for cake, sweet for you. D is for dog, wagging tail. D is for duck, quack without fail. D is for drum, tap the trail. E is for eggplant, cut and fry. E is for elephant, big and high. E is for eagle, soaring sky. F is for fish, swimming free. F is for frog, jump with glee. F is for flower, pretty to see. G is for goat, climbing high. G is for grapes, purple pie. G is for guitar, music fly. H is for hat, on my head. H is for horse, running ahead. H is for heart, golden spread. I is for ice, cold and nice. I is for igloo, made of ice. I is for insect, tiny slice. J is for jam, sweet delight. J is for jelly, wobbling bright. J is for juice, warm and tight. K is for kite, flying high. K is for king crown in the sky. K is for koala, sleepy guy. L is for lion, mighty roar. L is for leaf, green galore. L is for lemon, sour core. M is for monkey, climbing tree. M is for moon, shining free. M is for milk, good for me. N is for nest, birds inside. N is for Nanda, writing stud. N is for nose, on my face wide. O is for orange, round and sweet. O is for owl, who you meet. O is for octopus, many feet. P is for pumpkin, rolling mud. P is for panda, writing stud. P is for nose, on my face wide. Q is for queen, royal show. Q is for quail, bird we know. Q is for quill, cozy glow.
R is for rabbit, hop so fast. R is for ring, colors cast. R is for radio, built to last. S is for sun, shining bright. S is for snake, slither at night. S is for star, twinkling light. T is for tiger, strong and bold. T is for train, choo choo cold. T is for tomato, red to hold. U is for umbrella, keeps me dry. U is for unicorn, magic sky. U is for uniform, neat and spry. V is for van, driving slow. V is for violin, music flow. V is for volcano, lava glow. X-ray bones to say. X is for Xmas tree, holiday day. Y is for yak, woolly hair. Y is for yo-yo, spinning there. Y is for yellow, bright and fair. Z is for zebra, stripes so fine. Z is for zip, clothes in line. Z is for zoo, animals shine.
Welcome to Kidland.
Carrot, orange, carrot, crunchy and sweet. Hop on the train, a healthy treat. Tomato, juicy and round. On the veggie train, we're homeward bound.
Green broccoli looks like a tree. Ride on the train, so good for me.
Brown potatoes, soft inside. Join the train, enjoy the ride.
Yellow corn, roast so neat. On the veggie train, a tasty seat.
Green cucumber, cool and long. On the train, we sing along.
Big orange pumpkin, round and bright. Ride the train, oh what a sight. Onion, layer by layer. Join the train if you dare.
White cauliflower, fluffy and light. On the veggie train, what a delight.
Colorful peppers, red, green, yellow. On the train, a happy fellow.
Purple beetroot, tasty and sweet. Hop on the train, tap your feet. Shiny eggplant, purple and tall. On the veggie train, fun for all.
Little garlic, strong and white. Join the train, hold on tight.
Round green cabbage, crunchy to chew. Hop on the train, just for you. One little, two little, three little shapes. One little, two little, three little circles. One little, two little, three little squares. One little, two little, three little triangles. One little, two little, three little stars. One little, two little, three little rectangles. Four little, five little, six little shapes. Four little, five little, six little circles. Four little, five little, six little squares. Four little, five little, six little triangles. Four little, five little, six little stars. Four little, five little, six little rectangles. Seven little, eight little, nine little shapes. Seven little, eight little, nine little circles. Seven little, eight little, nine little squares. Seven little, eight little, nine little triangles. Seven little, eight little, nine little stars. Seven little, eight little, nine little rectangles. 10 little shapes, long and wide. 10 little circles, round and bright. 10 little squares all in a row. 10 little triangles, pointy and tall. 10 little triangles, shining bright. 10 little rectangles, long and wide. Long and wide.
Thank you for watching Shapes.
Part number 4, where are you? Number 4, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Number 1, where are you? Number 1, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Number 8, Number 5, where are you? Number 5, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Number 2, where are you? Number 2, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Number 7, where are you? Number 7, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Number 10, where are you? Number 10, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Number 6, where are you? Number 6, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something fine. Don't forget to like and subscribe.